Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we delved into the EMA Trend Cloud indicator, a powerful tool that simplifies the process of determining trends, saving us from the tedious task of drawing trend lines as well as eliminating the subjectivity that often comes with manually drawing the trend lines. If you haven't watched that video yet, don't worry. I've got you covered with a link in the description below. Note that it's important you watch that video because today we'll build on that knowledge and incorporate yet another indicator called the Stochastic Momentum Index to create a powerful Forex trading strategy which has been backtested and proved to be highly profitable when executed properly. So, grab your notepad, get comfortable and let's dive right in. Before we dive into the Stochastic Momentum Index, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to continue providing valuable content. Every subscription makes a huge difference and is greatly appreciated. Now, let's get back to the Stochastic Momentum Index. Stochastic Momentum Index, or SMI, is an advanced version of the stochastic oscillator, a tool used to measure momentum in the market. In simple terms, it helps us figure out if a currency pair, stock, or other asset is overbought or oversold, giving us clues about potential trend reversals. Without getting too technical, the SMI indicator has two lines which oscillate between -100 and +100. The black line is called the SMI line or simply the main line, while the red one is called the signal line. When the SMI lines are above +40, it suggests that the asset might be overbought, meaning the price has gone up too quickly and could come down soon. On the other hand, when the lines are below -40, it indicates that the asset might be oversold, meaning the price has dropped too fast and could go up soon. Take a look at this example. When the SMI lines move above +40, you can see that the price often starts to level off or drop soon after. Conversely, when the SMI lines dip below -40, the price tends to stabilize or rise shortly after. These signals help traders decide when to buy or sell. Another useful feature of the SMI indicator is the crossover of the main and signal lines. When the signal line crosses above the main line from below, it can be a signal to buy. Conversely, when the signal line crosses below the main line from above, it can be a signal to sell. Now, while the Stochastic Momentum Index is a powerful tool, it can only provide a certain percentage of success on its own. To maximize accuracy and reduce market noise, it's essential to incorporate another indicator. This is where the EMA Trend Cloud comes in. By combining the SMI with the EMA Trend Cloud, we can get a clearer picture of market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Let's begin by adding the two indicators on our TradingView charts. Open the chart you want to analyze, click on Indicators at the top of the screen, and on the search bar, type Stochastic Momentum Index, and select on this one by this TradingView user. The indicator will automatically apply on your charts. To add EMA Trend Cloud indicator, again click on Indicators, search EMA Trend Cloud and click on it. The indicator appears automatically on the chart. To make it suit our trading strategy, we shall change a few of its default settings. Click on this settings icon. Here for inputs, change the first EMA length to be 20 and the first EMA length to be 100. Uncheck this checkbox as well as these other two checkboxes under Style and click OK. There you have it. Now, let's talk about the confluence you'll be looking for to make a buy or long entry. First, identify a point where the market has been oversold in a bullish market. This point will most likely be a pullback in an uptrend market. We shall utilize this pullback to get a perfect entry and maximize our rewards. Note that the pullback must make contact with the cloud of the EMA Trend Cloud indicator. If it does not, as in this chart here, do not take a trade. Also, if the pullback penetrates right through the cloud as in this chart here, abandon the trade. The second thing you check for is this bullish crossover of the main and the signal line in the SMI indicator. This crossover must happen above the -40 mark, and if it happens below, do not take that trade. The final thing you look for is the candle at the point of SMI crossover. If this candle is bearish, abandon the trade, but if it is green, make your position entry immediately it closes. Put your stop loss slightly below the lowest point of the pullback and target a risk to reward ratio of 3:6 when setting your take profit. Finally, let's talk about the confluence you'll be looking for to make a sell or short trade. 1. Identify a point where the market has been overbought in a bearish market. This point will most likely be a pullback in a downtrend market. Note that the pullback must make contact with the cloud of the EMA Trend Cloud indicator. If it does not, as in this chart here, do not take a trade. Also, if the pullback penetrates right through the cloud as in this chart here, abandon the trade. The second thing you check for is this bearish crossover of the main and the signal line in the SMI indicator. This crossover must happen below the 40 mark, and if it is above, do not take that trade. The final thing you look for is the candle at the point of SMI crossover. If this candle is bullish, abandon the trade, but if it is bearish, make your position entry immediately it closes. Put your stop loss slightly above the highest point of the pullback and target a risk to reward ratio of 3:6 when setting your take profit. Remember that this strategy has been thoroughly back-tested and has shown to be very profitable when executed with discipline, patience, and sound risk management. If you have any query about it, feel free to reach out through the social handles in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy trading!